Wow, surprise 10 already. All right, today, first guy, welcome again for showing up. Let me double check. Can you hear? Okay, look like it's fine. So another shakeout just happened in the market, not just the crypto market, stock market in general. Oil price is rising. Yeah. So in this video today, we're going to talk about what happening in the market, why it's dropping, and what you should be considering to do to make a maximum gain on this situation. In the same time, what should you prefer if the worst case happen? Yeah. So summer is here. So we are most likely to see something going to happen one more time. Again, not sure what gonna happen. Nobody know for sure, right? Just 2 day, 3 day ago, we was like, okay, it's about to happen. It start going up. Bitcoin 109,000 is gonna be 111,000. So very close. Then the war between Iran and Israel. Yeah, Israel just shoots to the Iran, so nobody know that's coming. All right, is in this case, there's live something happened, right? Why everything as you plan is not go as you plan, and then how you deal with this situation. We're gonna discuss this in this live stream. First, again, not financial advice, of course. As already, yeah, I'm not financial advisor. I'm not give you anything that make you relate us to financial decision for you to invest. So don't take my word as you have to do something like this. Okay. All right. Before we start, let's quickly check how many we are here now. 15, 20, 25. That's good. Yes, my friend Kevin as always was here again. Nick, like and follow. Yes, guy, make sure like and follow. Before I'm start live stream, I would quickly talk about the time frame of the live stream, right? So most of the time, every live stream, not just my channel, most of any other channel, the reason they do the live stream is there's so much to discuss. There's so much to talk about it. In the same time, when you do the live stream, you feel more connect to your audience or your follower or your whoever the viewer. All right. So that is one of the reason we do the live stream. Is take like 1 hour 30 minutes, sometimes even 2 hour good live stream. One is so much thing to talk about it. Also, it is not easy, right? It is not easy for upload around 1 hour 2 hour video on the YouTube straight away. Even the 10-20 minute video to upload is take some time to be to finish. So live stream is the best to do. One is come to the longer video. Also, this is one of the reason I keep texting in the group, live stream coming tomorrow, live stream coming Friday. So you can prepare in event that you can be here ready, and if you have a free time you want to manage to come, anything like that. So this is the reason we do the live stream. Also, you can ask directly what is the question you may have, something like that, right? All right, first thing, where should we start? Should we talk about market in general first? Yeah. And then second, which coin you should be considering to keep your eye on it. So I'm seeing a few coin. Yeah, a few coin. And also, of course, we're gonna talk a little bit about SOA as well. what is coming for SO8, and then why you should be involving into SO8 or Shadow of Hope meme coin token. Yep, that is being out nearly 6 months and then keep going. Every live stream, first 3 live stream, we start with 500,000 market cap, then we go to 700K market cap, now above 900,000 market cap. So every live stream, I'm expect to see the market cap of SO8 rising 100,000, 200,000 one at a time, right? So the flow is solid. The flow for the SO8 is very, very solid now, and that we gaining more and more new investor, new user, and new face around, new name around the SO8 on the Twitter, and also on the Telegram, of course. And the best thing is now, more and more investors are creating their own image, creating their own mascot for the SOA, and then they go out there and they're sharing on their own style, which is really, really good. And another thing is, probably I'm not gonna talk about this about the SOA, yeah, because this make me I just remembered it. This made me to give you a little heads up what is could happen, right? If the deal works out, yeah, definitely cooking. If the deal work out, and then if they accept what we want to do with it, and we will have good marketing for the SOA. That is not usually, it's not easily to happen. So let's see next week. You should get some result by the next week. So the time is now. Yeah, what you should do. All right, let's get into the market. Let's get into the market. Okay, just quickly check the group. Very, very quiet last 2 days. Yeah, very quiet. People are kind of attacked to the market, right? They don't really give the movement. They don't really active when the market is down. The same, the price of the coin is down. They're not really active. Yeah, this is very usual. You cannot force people to do what they don't want to. You can give them the idea. You can give them the strategy. You can show them the what is about to happen. Tell them all these things. But stay doesn't matter. You tell them 100 times. If they are not willing to do anything or not listening, you're not gonna get anything back, right? So here, the market, we surprisingly Israel attacked to Iran, right? But as you know, 3-4 months or maybe longer that before that, Iran attacked to Israel about 300 missiles, shoot to the Israel, and then Israel said, okay, one day they will take it back. So now it's done yesterday. So what happened in the coming few days? Nobody know, right? It could go to bigger war. It's gonna go to sideline or quiet. For one thing is definitely happen. The price of the coin and the price of the oil is keep going up. The price of the gold also going up. So people are accumulating more coin, more oil, more gold, and then country to country making a new deal. Nobody. I mean, not any country want to involve into the war, but there should be the reason behind. That's something that going on what we don't know. So don't strut about it, something you cannot control. Don't strut about it, something you can not do, really not do anything. So what you have to do, just plan ahead. Just go with your original plan. You here in the crypto, you want to become a millionaire. You want to get a financial freedom. You want to free from 9 to 5, free from your work. That's is one of the main reason you are in the crypto, investing in the crypto, right? Forex, gold, silver, I have done it before. It's not really make that much money unless you have big amount of the money to start with. For you, most of you guys watching, if you can start with big amount of money, yeah, the best way to focus on is crypto, right? In crypto, you can make 1,000x, 2,000x, 5,000x, depend on which coin, right? You can easily do it. We have seen it cheaper coin than 5,000, 6,000, 7,000x, even more, right? Some people getting from the even 100,000x or something more. Some people get this. And the same at Puppet, newly launched. I don't say newly launched, it's been since 2023. So new 23 or 22. Yeah, Puppet is the one of the bigger meme coin gain after the ship. Right? We have there so much meme coin. We have like um with bone and also squat the peanut mudane unicorn feather, all these things, but it's not, one is compared to Puppet, it's not that smart game because Puppet reached to 6 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion listing on the Robinhood, listing on the big exchange, every exchange listing the Puppet. So after the shift, the bigger mean have to be the Puppet. So what is the next one? We don't know, right? What is the next one? We don't know. But something we know is we are into one main coin that have a very good solid foundation. It might not be the same start, or it's not be the same pump with same like any other coin, but it's slowly growing over time. So this is a coin like as a shadow of all. This is the coin that you should be involved, and also you have time to accumulate more and more on the way up. It's not straight away go up to 5 million, 6 million, 10 million, and you can only get like 100,000 coin, 200,000 coin. It's not that like that. So yeah, something you still have a lot of time to accumulate more and more slowly. Again, not financial advice. So last war happened was between Russia and Ukraine. I mean, in the very beginning, yeah, the market react to that like 2 week, yeah, about 2 week dropping crazy, dropping 2 week. After the 2 week, markets kind of recover. It's like, it's not serious or it's not bigger like what they think, and then people go back to the normal life, what they think is gonna what they should be doing, investing, go back to war, all these things stop, right? So Ukraine and Russia war breakout happened. The market dropped one first week, second week, after the week two, and it's recover is slowly. So now, just yesterday, it's happened with the Israel Iran, and market react to it. Market drop. One thing that you have to be pay attention, right? So this is very similar to the one. I'm don't know. I'm right now. I'm seeing everything compared to. I'm compare everything to SOA right now. This is our baby, isn't it? We need to compare to that. This is the only chance that we can make the masses gain. And so yeah, of course we can talk about this more most of the time, all the time. Yeah, as long as needed. So market react to the war on Israel and Iran. Look at the price of the Bitcoin, 105,000. Yeah, 105,000. And in overall market is drop about 5%, 5.9%, 6%. So 3.38 trillion, 3.38 trillion. But the volume supposed to be going down, correct? Every time market drop, something uncertain thing happen. volume is all the time going drop, but not this time. This time is increasing about all the way to 180, 179 billion. Usually, last time when we see when this happen, the volume go down to 35, 40 billion, and that nothing going on in the market. Everything is very boring. So Bitcoin, we seeing the Bitcoin price 109,000, yeah, 109,000 is very close to 111, 110,000, and then it dropped back down. So based on this, what you understand the price of the coin is why it drop like just 4,000, little 4,000 per coin. So in 24 hours, 2.7% drop. So now people are getting smarter, right? People are getting smarter. They don't follow with the market anymore. Doesn't matter what happened in the market, they don't sell. They just keep on holding. Yeah, they just keep on holding with what they think this will happen. So now we have institutes, a lot of bank institutes, finance, everything into Bitcoin, into the Ethereum, into the any other coin. So they are accumulating more and more. When you look at the defined data, yeah, on the on chain, the volume are increasing, total value lock are increasing. Why should you sell? Yeah, when the TVL or total value lock is increasing more and more, that is only one thing gonna happen: the bull run, right? The bigger bull run. Not we have to agree that this time we have to agree something that this time bull run are totally different from the last bull run, and then also really hard to predict what's gonna happen tomorrow, next week, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month time. So one thing everybody can do is believe in, yeah, believe in something. So they believe in the bull run is gonna happen. 4 year cycle is not break yet. Traditional 4 year cycle is stay on the course. Yeah. So that is the one of the reason that you should be holding what you have. It's not a time for you to move things around. You shouldn't be moving around anyway. Uh, you may have you may follow different influencer like different from me or different any other influencer. In a minute, I will show you who I follow and who I'm watching. Right. So this is not the time for you to keep jumping around like a monkey, um, moving one coin buy into the one coin, and that's coin not happen anything, and you move into another coin. Yes, you cannot get the straight line action, right? You cannot get a straight line up every single day. Some day will be up 10, 20%. Some day will even go to 100% up and then drop down 20, 30%, and then straight line and then up. It's going to happen like this every single coin, every single investment you do. Nothing going up straight line. Yeah. The one going up straight line, probably next day going to be drop down straight line too. So that is something you need to be aware of. So let's have a look this total value log. Yeah, total value log stablecoin more and more increasing. Yeah, look at just only the stablecoin, 250 billion stablecoin market cap, and then in the DeFi is 111 billion. So that volume is 14, and this is the trade volume, yeah, 18. So there is so much. This website is very useful anyway. If you want, I will share with you in the live stream here. Okay. Last week, here we go. There is a link. Last week I'm saying that if anyone want to join, yeah, if anyone want to come up to the live stream and join, you can come. I will share the link as well. And come and ask question you want, free, open mind to anybody. So yeah, you have looked at steamia.com. That is a link for you to. You just need to click that link and then open your mic and join. You don't need to open the camera if you don't want to. Yeah, it's totally free. It's totally free. Is yeah, we can listen your opinion about the market. We can listen what you think about the market or even the SOA or any other like this. Yeah, I will share inside the Telegram as well. Here we go. Everyone get a piece, so everyone can join it. Okay, so market cap total value log everything increasing, stable coin total value log increasing. That is only one thing left to happen is all this stable coin gonna move to buying the new coin, new shining coin, old coin that exists for a very long time. Some other strong narrative, layer one, layer two, all these things are ready to. They're going to accumulate, buying more. That is one of the reasons they are printing the new more and more stable coin, keeping on the side, waiting for the wars. Yeah, waiting for the wars, waiting for the wars time to happen, and then yes, get where they're gonna buy. That's good. Very fast. We have very fast join. As you share, my friend Oli is here.
Hey, what's going on?
It's all like market
Yeah,
is boring.
boring, but I mean, our chart looks good. I've just I looked at it earlier, and I haven't looked at it all day, but I've noticed another good-looking daily candle. We've flipped that daily candle green, and we've got a nice wick to the downside again, which is what we've been talking about. Wicks to the downside mean buying pressure to the upside. So on a high time frame, like the daily chart, that's really good.
Yeah.
Good to see that hit demand. So sorry if my voice sounds a bit funny. I'm still recovering from a flu or whatever I've got.
But yeah, it's 2 days ago. It's what raining, and then everybody got sick. That's happened.
Yeah, I think I caught something last week when I was working, and then I had to recover quite a lot. But yeah, I'm feeling a bit better anyway. But yeah, the chart looks good, man. We're still sort of in an uptrend here, and yeah, lots of daily candles, 2 red days, and then back to green.
Yeah.
Can you zoom in on that daily?
Yeah. Yeah, I sure.
Make it a bit
bigger.
Yeah. Like stretch it out a little bit so you can the other way. Well, that way's fine. But yeah, you can see the wick to the downside there. So we've been buying up that candle, and now we're pushing up past 900,000. So looking good.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Like every live stream we do, we are increasing by market cap 100K slowly. So now it's becoming a regular that we are doing live stream 2 times a week. It's almost like every Monday and Friday we are doing right now. So I think it's not bad. Every live stream, if we the SOA going up like 100K, that's with how much in next 20 week time, probably is gonna be go to above 10-20 million market cap if you can increase 100K market cap buying every live stream.
Yeah, easily.
Yeah.
I mean, the sell-off was could be down to a couple of things. You could say maybe it was down to Trump announcing that there was tension with Iran, between Iran and Israel, and saying, that he was indicating that something could happen, and that usually spooks the market. But what tends to happen on those moments, if you go back and check, I discussed this with you yesterday, and I put a message in the group about it. If you go back and you back test all the times that we either had a breakout of war, or that there was a fear around World War III, every time that's happened, the market prices it in within a couple of days, and it immediately happens, and then the market nukes a little bit, and then suddenly we're back to where we were within a week. So it's usually unfortunately a good buying opportunity to get low entries on your coins, because people panic and want to de-risk, and they think, they don't know how long it's going to last. But seasoned investors and people who have been in this game long enough to have seen these things play out so many times know that World War III is not happening, and every time the market does this kind of reaction to news, it's a sell the news event, and then the market recovers within a few days to a week. And you can check that. There's actually quite a few posts about it, and it shows you the percentage that we gained after these announcements were made, when the Russia-Ukraine war happened, when Gaza and Israel started. We've pumped out of all of these things. So crypto doesn't really, it isn't really affected by war and things like that, and it's only a very, very short term move when it does.
Yeah, people are getting more smarter. Is they are not follow the market anymore. They just believe what they're just doing what they believe. Like they think the bull run gonna have coming, stay on the way. So they accumulating more. They not lose their position. Yeah, that is why was telling everyone here in the very beginning of the live stream. Is it time to accumulating more and hold to the position? It's not time to like taking a profit or jumping one coin to another. Just follow the different influencer. Is by doing that, yeah, the moment you are just losing and you're not getting anywhere. The best way is believe on your strategy, believe on the coin you are holding, and accumulating more. I know if you are holding a coin from last last year around October, November, December, you think that it's gonna be going up because of November, December, Q4 2024. You think it's gonna going up, you buy. It does go up, and then meme coin Trump came in January, everything gone with that market. So yeah, everything happened for a reason, but the most important thing is just keep your position balance, keep your position top up more. That is something you should be only consider.
Yeah, I mean, people always regret when they sell at times, like when there's any kind of unrest and things like that. That it's just not a time to be selling. So it's just a time to be accumulating, like you say, and you can see that on the chart. We because that is one reason why we could have had a bit of a sell off. And the sell off what we've had is 15%, 10%, something like that. And it could be because of that, but it could also just be we had a really, really big green candle, and no wick to the upside here. So there's not a lot of selling pressure. See all the wicks we have to the downside showing pressure to the upside. We don't really have the opposite of that. That even the red candle, we bought half of that up, you know. So yeah, there's mainly it's just wicks to the downside, showing this buying pressure that we have. Not really the other way around. So I think after a big candle like that, it's normal to see a sell-off, and we've almost recovered half of it back. So I would, and it's made another higher low there.
Yeah, when you look, this is a daily time range. So you look at it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days in a row, we are up big. 5 days in a row, we have green candle, and 2 day red is a stay wing, right? It's not 5 day up and 5 day down. So when you look at from here, 5 day up and then 2 day down, and now up again. What we have, we can open from the another green candle here, go up to 1.2, 1. If 1.12, yeah, we can go up again.
Yeah, I mean, we did a 21x, right, from 100K.
Yeah.
You know, a few weeks ago. So to have a consolidation after a big move like that is totally normal, and we've already started this uptrend now. I think the uptrend was that bottom, when we called the bottom, was about a week ago, and we said, this is the bottom of the market. I think I said as well that the global market cap looks like it bottomed as well. So this is a good time to be allocating to your positions. Yeah, after a huge move like we had, I mean, it only took 3 days for us to do a 21x. So nice sort of small sell-off, really. This has been down to 500K. We bought up that wick, and now we're pushing back up nicely and sharply. That candle a couple of days ago, the big green one, that was looking like it could go again, but it's probably good that we're cooling off, and we just want a slow, steady pace right now, and then wait for the market to be for the rest of the market to be green as well.
Yeah. Amazing to see. Look, this is where we're starting, right? We're starting point, and let's go back in. Yeah, 3 days. It took up just only 3 days to reach that price level. So it's really, really good.
Yeah, that was a huge move. Very, very fast, and we had a lot of buyers, a lot of volume, and we were kind of moving when the rest of the market was kind of struggling, and then I think the rest of the market started to kind of catch up, and liquidity started to flow quite nicely. So, and that's what will happen. Liquidity will flow back in, then it will go back out, then it will come back in and go back out. So we just have to have the long-term investor mindset, and we hold our positions while these short-term traders come and go, and they push the price up, and usually some of them stay and hold moon bags and keep their positions, and then all the time we're working to bring new people in, new artwork, and lots of raiding on X and YouTube and things like that, and new communities are starting to see and see us. I think it would be good to start sort of hitting up other communities as well that are kind of similar to us, similar size, and show how loud we are, and everyone, if they're all doing their part and working together, then they're going to make people aware of our crypto, and that's the beauty of this. That's how Murad did it. When he bought SPX, it wasn't very big, and that's why his position is so big now. And rather than sort of jumping from trade to trade and losing his money, he's just sat in this one trade and hit that and Giga, SPX and Giga, Chad, and he's just said, these are my coins, I believe in them, and I'm going to keep talking about them because I believe that they can do this.
So if you guys don't know who Mara is this account. So he gained a lot of follower and um, attention from the Singapore token, the token 49. Um, he talked about the meme coin, why the meme coin is new, reburnishing, why the meme coin going to be success, and he talked a lot about the meme coin. And but lately, the only one thing he keep on talking about is SPX, right? SPX 690 zero. That's his look. This guy, his portfolio is was around 50 million, and then he doing every day 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. I don't know. Talking about one coin over and over and over again. So we are doing live stream 2 times a week. We are doing in the Telegram, on the Twitter. We keep tweeting, talking about this. Is not, is not boring thing. You have to pay that much attention to get attention from the other. When you want to get attention from the outsider, you cannot just go talk to them one time, convince them one time, and they will join it. You have to do 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, maybe even 10 times if you have to do it. If you believe the coin you are holding that can do really well. So look at this. This is all the um, investor or community. They are holding a aspect, and then they talk about this in their own way, right? Does this make the coin going successful more and more? And he by himself also doing all these things. Look, talk about the coin, talk about how it's going to change the game. Or coin in the beginning don't need to be well known straight away. The moment is go by, the time pass by, is will become bigger. The same thing gonna happen to SOA, right? You might think like, oh, we are a small community, not too many people. It's not about how we started. It's about how we going to end it, right? So the more, as long as you're not giving up, as long as you keep doing, it's not the end yet. So you cannot make a decision of the success of this coin is only this month, right? So now we have 900,000. In 3 4 months ago, you don't even know this coin. Just little 2 weeks ago, you find out about this coin, and this coin going up and down, and you see this. So if you were here 4 months, 5 months ago, there is almost nobody inside the group, only like 5 6 people doing the same thing that what we are doing every single day. We are not giving up. We believe in this coin that can do well, because we have a good intention about this coin, and we believe this coin, this SOA will bring a lot of good cost to the crypto and investor. So yeah, someday you will talk about, again, not financial advice. Someday you will be the one who other influencer are talking about, like for example, like Kevin. Okay, Kevin are top 50 holder, right? Kevin just said top 50 holder. So Kevin, top 50 holder, he was believe into SOA, and then SOA become he become a multi-millionaire or something like that. Is some some other influencer will talk about your story, because all start with belief and not giving up, right? And hey, all the way. You don't make a decision now that this is that's it. It's not. It's so much more to come.
Yeah, that's right. I think it's down to narrative, isn't it, with meme coins and with other coins as well. The SPX narrative is that Marad thinks that it will be the first $1 billion or $100 billion coin. Sorry, or no, $1 trillion coin is what he said actually.
Yeah.
And he said he wants it to. He thinks it can flip the stock market, which is obviously a dream, and you never know. One day you never know. maybe not this cycle,
Yeah.
but one
Yeah.
day you never know. And the more people that talk about it, the more people that believe in it, the more people that push it, make content, talk about it on Twitter, and share things about it, the more that possibility becomes a reality. Our narrative is about hope, and it's such a good, beautiful
Yeah.
narrative, especially in a crypto space where nobody is trustworthy. Right, you can't trust anyone here, and it's a real untrustworthy space. And what we want to do, and what you have done, is create a bunch of people around you that trust you because of your integrity and the way that you've shown in the past. I've known you now for probably 2-3 years, and I've been in your unpaid free groups for years, and I've seen how you operate, as has a lot of the investors in Shadows of Hope have come from your free unpaid groups, where you have in the past shared your projects that you're investing in, shared your profit targets, given advice for free, and have generally been a friendly, trustworthy person. And off the back of that, the idea of Shadows of Hope was born to and it happened at a time where the meme coin space was becoming more and more dangerous, with more and more rugs and more technology to rug people. And now, was a good time to change the game and say, right, let's bring it back to some kind of trust and make this space different. That's what the narrative is with Shadows of Hope. So the best thing for other people to be doing, if you're an investor in Shadows of Hope, is to go on X, go on YouTube or Instagram, where there's a crypto community. X is probably the most the largest crypto community, but you can do it anywhere. And like we're doing, like you see on the screen now, post memes and talk about it,
Yeah.
uh, and
The
just share
one,
thoughts.
the person I really like this one. I saw this today, right? Soundtrack of the bull market, Diamond Hand Energy. So this is our one of our community. He created. I really love it. I got SOA. Look at this. By the way,
The
he
new one.
here.
Amazing.
Yeah, he here. Wait, the first time join us on the live stream. Hello, my friend.
Hello, hello.
Hey, how do we call your name?
I think Calypso is okay.
That's it. Okay, welcome, man. Welcome. Your
Thank,
artwork, your is doing really good. Amazing.
thank you. I think since the first live stream I got of you, Sai, and Oli, I think I like the project from the beginning with no push, no incentives, nothing, and I think I resonated very well with the message of SOH.
Yeah.
For me, I think it's very timeless, especially like right now. If you look at the market, you look at the macro, I don't think there's a better coin that just gives the message best like SOH.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
well
That's
said.
good.
Well
Thank
said,
you.
man. Yeah, it's great to have you on board, man. It's really, really great that you've been, making memes for for your own benefit. With you kind of share them on X, and then we find them and we're like, oh wow, there's even more artwork, around, and they're really, really funny. And it's a really good, great way to get your voice heard. So yeah, we really appreciate it, and you're doing a really great job.
Ah, thank you so much. I don't know what to say. Thank you.
all right. You don't have to say anything. Just keep making the artwork, man. Like it's really, really helping, and
Yeah.
it's really effective. They're really, really good. So, yeah. Just keep it going, and we appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just keep doing what you're doing. We will support you whatever we can. And yeah, this will be here, like what you said, is gonna be last longer, and everyone get the same opportunity to be part of this, because we didn't start with big, right? We didn't start with big. Way VZ Insider, private sale. We didn't start any of this. Even the very beginning, it took about nearly 4 hours on the live stream. When we are launched, it took about 4 hours to get graduate. And then after graduate, 9 days in a row to reach to around 900,000 market cap. Every single day, 9 days in a row, is up and up and up and happen. And then yes, people took a profit, a little bit drop. Some people panic sell. Some people get back in. Some people left. Some people a new join. Is so much thing happen in SOA, and also like big correction, big drop happen. Everybody buying back. Usually there is a already good story that we can tell other people, that there is one sniper or earlier investor, I'm not sure, he holding more than anybody, almost 12% of the supply. He panic sell after 30% drop from the all-time high, and nuke the shelf like a big red candle. And then everybody believed in the community, everybody believe in the project, everybody buy back in 40-minute non-stop. All the grim transition, buying transition coming. That's what the movement, that was the best of moment in my life, to see the charts keep going up, and it makes so much.
Yeah, that was an incredible day. We did the whole thing on. I think we did spaces, right? Or and we opened the spaces and we said what's going on, and because we were tracking all the wallets, we realized one sniper had split his supply up into about 3 or 4 different wallets, and he dumped them all, and he lost over half of his money to slippage, because he sold in such big transactions when it was such a small market cap. And he pushed it down, under 100,000. I think it really,
88K. Yeah.
It was a really, and it was like a heartbreaking moment, because we were like, oh no, what is going on? We jumped on the live stream, and with as many investors, there was about 250 people on the live stream, and then everybody just within, like you said, 4 hours. By the time we finished the live stream, the chart was back up where it was, and we flipped the candle green.
No, that was 4 hour was the launch. The one that they first day launch is the one that we flip the green is 40 minutes.
Oh yeah, 40 minutes.
Yeah, 40 minute non-stop, and then the charts go back green.
Yeah, it was incredible, and it just showed the demand, So yeah, it was an incredible time, and just shows you, and we also now know that there's no snipers left, so we were able to get out any people that had too big a bag, and nobody has that position, that size anymore, so everything is much more even.
Yeah, it's tokenomics is spread around all the different wallets, almost a balance, and then top 100 holder are accumulating more and more, and then they're not selling. So that's make the market cap quite stable, and only 3-4 wallets are buying, selling, and overall they don't really make money. And last live stream, I'm sure you guys one of the wallet that 2 weeks ago, new wallet, he bought about $78,000 for the SOA, and he sold everything and he left, right? He sold everything, he left, and then now, yesterday, we see that wallet is coming back and buy back in again. So who knows if he going to do the same as he did in 2 weeks ago? Easily, we could bring back to 2-3 million or maybe even 4 million back easily.
Yeah, I wonder whether they're in the groups or not.
I'm not sure. I think the wallet movement is um, kind of follow what Masek inside the group is going. So I think probably they are, but I'm not sure that's wallet. So I know this one of this. So this wallet, the one with sick eye. This one is definitely inside the group. This wallet trading in and out so much. So this wallet is definitely inside the group. I'm not sure owned by who. And there is, I will show you the guy of the wallet. Yeah, that's bigger buying wallets is not sure if he inside the group. It's gonna be if will be good, then he will if he in the group will be good.
Well, we're just underneath 1 million again, so this is a nice recovery, and the rest of the market isn't really doing that well. So just again shows you the demand, and I think having Calypso here, showing him doing his artwork, this is exactly the kind of way that the meme coins work and meme coin communities attract like-minded people. He said he found us because the project resonated with him, and that's exactly what we want. We're not a Trump coin, we're not a fart coin, we're not a just a useless meme coin. We do have integrity and we do have a story, and you can see on my Instagram I've documented the story many times, with posts about I did a thread about the that nuke that day when the community bought the all the tokens back up, and I've done lots and lots of threads about our history, and I think it's a really good wholesome story. I mean, look at it, it's a friendly character and everything is about hope, and your face and you're doxed all over it. So it's a really really cool place. Oh, by the way, Calypso, your Braveheart meme is amazing. That is a really really good one. I love it.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. This one is a really nice one as well. Sleep on it. Two two egg nightmare via 3,000 drink. 3,000 egg drink. Paper hand nightmare is like I could I could have 5,000 egg, and then diamond ham drink was like sleeping in peacefully with 1,000 egg gang. This is genius.
Yeah, great stuff, man. The Braveheart one I share a lot because it's so good. It looks really
Here we
really
go.
good. That's my favorite. It's so good.
Okay, what's happening?
Yeah, this is a nice one as well.
Yeah, it's really good. I mean,
Okay.
it just shows the power of the community and the narrative that we have. It's very strong. It's a really strong narrative.
Yeah, we got more coming. More today. We will have more. Who is? Where is Hamid? Hamid want to join. I don't see you.
And it's only a matter of
Okay,
time.
yeah, we
So,
get another one joining. Klaso, go on. What did you say?
oh, I was saying it's only a matter of time. So I know people tend to get very impatient. Like you look at, so it hits like 2 million, 1 million, and then you see it going down, so you feel like you want to, you want to take profits, but I'd say just be patient, just hold.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Uh,
That's all they've got to do. It's almost less volatile than a lot of crypto, and it's far less boring than holding any altcoins. I mean, have you seen all the altcoin charts? They've done nothing. They've just been in a bear market for months and months now. So at least we're moving up, and we've had some a massive growth. So I think, yeah, just hold. That's all you got to do. Hold and support the community, and accumulate more when you get the chances, like at the lows. And we always say, we think this is probably the bottom of this downtrend. So now's your chance to buy more.
yeah. All right. We have the one and only OG Diamond Ball is here, right?
You guys all right?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, good. Thanks,
Yeah.
man. How you doing?
I'm a bit late, but I managed to catch you in, man. Quite busy at work.
Good to have you here.
How's the mood?
What did you
Hey,
say?
Khalib. Nice
Khalid.
to meet you, mate. Khalib. Can you hear me?
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, I was the one who messaged you on X, mate, because we didn't know if you are in the TG group or you just a guy that was doing his own stuff on X. Yeah, thanks about all them posts, mate. Really, really nice, great stuff.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. So everyone, Oli and OG, OG or OG Diamond Ball, you can see his name in the Telegram. Two of them are here from the day one since we launched. Kali is just, I'm not sure. When did you find out about SOA?
I think I remember I saw you doing a live stream, and SOH was at 30 and 2, 0.00002.
Oh, okay. I
And
couldn't
then
find
and
that.
then I
Yeah.
think I faded it, and then I came back again, and I'm candle.
Nice.
Don't
So you got
fade it.
in
Don't
around
fade
300.
it.
Good. So you're in profit. Yeah, you're sitting on some decent gains there.
Is the connection breaking up?
No, I waiting. Someone want to speak.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Oh, we
I'll
got
let
a
you go.
lot. We got a lot today. We got all the OG group. Yeah, anyone want to join? There is a link on the. It's called Steamia. You need to click the Steamia to join. There is a link just pop up on the screen. That's link you need to join. We have Sean as well. Sean, hey guys, sharing troubling back from the hole. It's all right. It's all right. Right, Oli. Sorry, I cut you off.
That's okay. I was going to say I'm just eating a bit, so I might not be talking too much.
Okay. So OG also live in London, right?
Just outside of London.
Okay, same like Oli. Oli also like outside of London as well.
All right. Yeah, I'm not far, mate. Probably half an hour drive.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think we should tell people that we're waiting on some updates about SoulScan. Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Yeah.
So guy, one thing everyone is wondering, right? When you come to the source scanner, yeah, source scanner, go to the website, the Scrivener or anything like that. Go to then you go to contract address here. Is go and it will open new page like this. All right. If you are holding SOA, look at the look. I'm not sure if you guys remember this total supply last week. What 99024? Yeah. Look at this now 99016. Is already removing more supply. So the supply is going down really fast right now. The more volume happen, the more burn transition will happen as well. So if you are holding SOA and then you don't see the price on source scanner, just because one thing what we are doing is we are updating this source scanner. So to able to get that price show in the source scanner, you will need like maybe let look at this like I will show you like this. Okay, this is one of the wallet that being trading SOA, right? So basically he holding something like this. So his he holding low cap coin 20K, and then any other one you're trying to find SOA, the price of SOA is not shown here yet, we need domain from the source scanner to show that. We already registered source scanner is need like official domain info at shadow of token.com or something like that. We already registered domain already get approved it, already sent application to source scanner, is get waiting for the approve. In the same time, the market cap also waiting to get approved. The same as CoinGecko. CoinGecko is already really fast, so we get approved the CoinGecko within a week.
Yeah, I think with CoinMarketCap it's like they kind of want to charge people for it, innit? That's why it's taking longer.
Yeah, they took like 5 weeks to get approved. If you want to get approved within 1 week, you need to pay like 5,500, but it's not guaranteed that you gonna get approved. So if you spend 5,500 or $5,000, something like that, and if you don't get approved, you just lose your money. Even the CoinGecko in the beginning, we applied it, we got rejected because they give like some or your account is don't have enough engagement, not enough follower, or this thing they give the reason they reject. We reply again, and then they give your meme coin don't have a good character, something like give a different reason, they reject it. And then we apply with this new logo, new mascot, and we do a lot of our own unique character, our own we do the live stream all this, and they probably find out about that and then get approved, so which is really good as well.
I think it used to work on SoulScan. I think it's just maybe a metadata issue or something that is just not quite right in the details with SoulScan, because it used to show up. You can still see Shadows of Hope in SoulScan. It's just not showing the price. That's all. But it will show you how many tokens you have.
Oh, that is definitely sure. The one thing we was apply is not just bright to show, is well get the blue mark next to the SOA as well. So less than 5% of the meme coin token applying for this blue mark. So when you get this blue mark, you don't really need to go all the different like a Jupiter exchange or go to any other like Radiant or anything like that. When you get blue mark from the source scanner, is where remove the warning to all the website. It's like when you go to the Jupiter or Radiant now, is where show warning. This is a high risk token. Blah blah blah. It's going to show something yellow warning. If you get approved from blue mark from the source scanner, then all the job finished.
Yeah, I think sorry, Ole, if we get approved, it's gonna say that the token's been verified.
Yeah.
Yeah, That's all right. I mean, that'll be a good thing because last time I checked, there's quite a few scams out there, and they are pretty much copying SOH.
Oh yeah,
So
they
yeah,
launch, they copy SOA and they launch on the pump.farm, and then they rock after 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, they rock the pool.
yeah,
Wow.
but when you go to Jupiter and if you type in just SOH, they all come under SOH. So if someone is new and they don't know about like the real SOH, they can buy into the scam easily. So I assume once we get verified, they'll make it even better for us.
Yeah, it will stand out against all of those
Yeah.
champions. Yeah, because they won't have those check marks.
Yeah, but when they compare to the market cap, and most of SOA that come out on the this one is most of them liquidity at zero, so they could able we should see on the top as well. Yeah.
They get delisted after a while, those ones.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think they
Yeah, because basically it ends up like there is no activity on the token, I guess. So that's why they get delisted. But in the meantime, a newbie can easily get like to buy into one of those.
Yeah.
And then
You
you
are
know what
right.
happens. Yeah, people come into TG, start moaning, complaining, and it's nothing up to us to do.
Yeah, they bought the wrong
True.
token. I think educating people, is important. Making sure that they buy the right contract address, and they understand how to drop a contract address into Jupiter or Radium. Yeah.
Yeah, too. Kevin said SOA had a strong community and drink walk make drink walk. SOA is a stronger community and teamwork make the drink walk. We have the dairy as well, outstanding walk. Yeah, outstanding walk, Harry. Yeah, if you HM, if you want to join, you need to click the link. I can add you. The link have been shared earlier, so have to click the link. Someone say SOA going to billion. Yes, why not? Where they believe SPA 6900 is gonna go to, gonna flick the stock market, gonna go to 100 billion, gonna go to trillion or something like. If they believe that, why can you believe that billion? Every meme coin get need one attention, and then they can reach to billion. Right, peanut the score get good big one attention, reach to billion. Which dog with hat get 2 billion. Popcat came from the pump.farm, get 2 billion. Right, a lot of meme coin get 2 billion. Even not get to billion is already, if we reach to 100 million, 200 million, 300 million. Everyone who holding the bet now, you will be like really good position, and yeah, 99% of 99% of the problem solved by the money. So you lie where we get a lot better in one position. Again, not financial advice, right? To get there to happen, you need to hold for some time, and you need to part of the team, the teaming everybody, right? Everybody. Now we have 785 holder. You are part of the team. If 780 holder do the same job that we are doing, like this, sharing, tweet, creating your own content, creating your own email, and then go around, yes, you will. You will. We will be like, very fast to reach to the market cap you want.
Yeah, all they have to do, I mean, they don't have to make their own content. I mean, that's if
Oh,
they can, that's amazing. But all you've got to do is save a few of the memes that we've made, save the ones you like, and then repost them. Post them under comments on other people's X pages. When you see other people talking about memes and you see other influencers asking what to buy, there's your chance to drop one of our memes and say, this community is working really hard. They've been a solid, true community. There's a trustworthy dev involved, and ask them to come and look for themselves. The chart speaks for itself as well. You know, the demand that we have whenever we drop, the demand is high, and the selling pressure is low. And I've shown that with the TA, showing that there's no big wicks to the downside right now. There's just demand to the upside, and we're waiting for massive amounts of liquidity to come into the space. We already can see that the M2 money supply has been on a tear, just going up and up and up for months. So we know that there's more and more liquidity coming into the space, and the market is suppressed by the bigger players. So we know when it suddenly stops being suppressed, the whole market is going to rip, and so Shadows of Hope is going to be you're in an incredible position to be buying a low cap meme coin with our kind of history, and if you go back to our previous history where we talked about that 40-minute window where the candle was bought up, that shows how much demand there is. There's just huge amounts.
Yeah, exactly. That's gonna happen. Bitcoin without community like our get 2 billion. So if they can get, we can. Yes, definitely. Someone say one SOA hit 100 baht coin. You don't need 100 baht coin. $1 per coin is way more than you can get. You will be like really in good position in life. If you're holding now, it's reach $1.
I mean, imagine in the future how much liquidity is going to come in, and you know, in multiple cycles, you could be looking at a different price for Shadows of Hope. You know, we're on the blockchain now, and coins don't disappear off the blockchain. Once it's on there, it's on there. And there's always going to be liquidity here. There's always going to be people buying and selling. So you never know where this coin goes in this cycle, and maybe in the next cycle. You know, coins that make it through 2 cycles, they hold their price.
Yeah, I mean, let's do the simple math. I'm sure here 99.99% of you watching here right now used to work for someone else or used to work full-time job, right? You seeing you out from the college, seeing you out from the university, or some go to some straight away after 16, 17, 18 years start working full-time. So how long you been working? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Think about the time frame you've been working and think about how the cycle in crypto work. So if you've been working someone else for 15 years, and then every month your salary can be good, can be bad, doesn't matter. How much you really make life changing money, how much you really saving. For the let's calculate in average people here around 30, 35, 40 years, which you've been working around 15 years, right? In the 15 year, do you really make 6, 7 figure in your bank? Totally, maybe not, right? Unless you are in the bank, like private banker or something like Wall Street trader employee, you will not make this money. So in crypto, there is only 4-year cycle. You get into the right time, which is in the bear market, and then 3 years after bull market happen, you only need to wait, hold that 3 years, and then sell out or take cashing out in the 6-figure, 7-figure. If you are getting into the wrong time, probably you will have to wait 2 cycle. Even the 2 cycle is only 8 years. If you have to wait 8 years and then you make $1 million, it's stay really worth it, because you don't wait just like this. You just keep doing what you're doing with the job and then leave this as a side investment. And the time is come, you will make it. Look at 2021. Everybody get most of the people who invest and make really good money in 2021, they starting from 2019. They not start 2021. Most of the people invest and make 7-figure, 8-figure. They are taking their position from 2019 and 2019, 2020, 21 is coming. COVID, all this thing happen, and people have nothing to do. They all spend so much time on online, find something to get side income. Everybody jump into the investment thing, crypto. The market go crazy. Now we have the bigger bank in the world, the bigger institute finance in the world involved in the crypto. Do you think we not going to see big market like 2021? Of course, it's gonna coming. Definitely, is coming. Which is not is about when, yeah, just about when. It can be this Q4 2025 between October, November, December, or it can be this summer. Nobody know. All you have to do is hold tight your position, buy into what you believe that's gonna happen, and sit tight. That's it.
Yeah, there's lots of bullish catalysts for this market, and we've got all of the institutional buying, and then we've got the new pump fund system, which is onboarding so many new users, and that's not going to go away. It's only going to get bigger. So I think the meme coin space is where the action is, and your sensible investments with Bitcoin and Ethereum and things like that. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are good things to hold. When it comes to Solana, it's a very volatile coin.
Yeah.
It has big swings to the downside, and it's not a great one to be holding, really, because these swings can really wipe out your portfolio. So there's other risky ones like Sui and Casper and things like that, but what are you buying? You're buying a promise that these things are going to be useful in the future, but you're not really buying anything that you can have faith in, knowing that this is a safe crypto. It's not. They're high risk investments, whereas Bitcoin and Ethereum, that Ethereum has lots and lots of coins built on it. The protocol is very secure, and for that reason, it's quite stable. And Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It's the first one, and it's the one with the most interest. So they are pretty sound investments that you can hold for multiple cycles. And then where else do you go? I think the time of having a diverse portfolio of altcoins is not really safe anymore. Holding things like Chainlink and other cryptos like that, then XRP and things like that, are they useful? Are they going to get adoption? We don't know. So the one that really has the adoption is Bitcoin, and then you go to the other end of the spectrum and look for meme coins that have much upside, and that seems to be the safest sort of barbell portfolio, if you like, opposite ends of the risk curve. You've got the low risk Ethereum and Bitcoin, and then the meme coins that are high risk. And if you can choose wisely enough and choose a meme coin that isn't too high risk, like Shadows of Hope, that you can feel comfortable holding for long term, there you go. You've got a great portfolio.
Yeah, just to let you know, guys, in 10 days' time, we'll be 6 months old. Yeah,
Ooh.
so for every new person out there, it's good to know that this token will be 6 months old. So
Awesome.
we've managed to hold on 100K market cap for like 4 months, and now they go, And I agree with Tolly. I absolutely agree that I think the days of holding chain links and tokens like that, they're gone. I mean, especially for people with who can't afford to invest big amounts. I mean, yeah, I understand Bitcoin is a safe bet, but the regular guy, like how much you can put in Bitcoin when it's like over 100K, right?
Yeah, speaking of
mean,
Chainlink, I have 250 Chainlink that need to do something. Think last bull run.
no,
Think
just
last bull run.
the thing is, it will be really hard for regular guys to make money on big market cap coins like that. So I really think like the meme coin scene is the place where regular guys can make money. I mean, I remember 2021, yeah, BSC, it was mayhem. If you guys remember on Binance Smart Chain, yeah, 2021.
Yeah,
it was crazy. I mean, it really didn't matter what you were buying; everything was moving because people were just finding out about meme coins, and this is how everything started. But now I think it's just Solana is a really easy for people to get in to set up your Phantom wallet and just to buy into meme coins.
yeah. It couldn't be easier for onboarding new people.
And cheap fees, yeah, because when you go to Ethereum, it just the fees are crazy sometimes, especially when the chain is congested,
Yeah, it got up
So
to $250 per transaction.
that's crazy,
And that wasn't that's one way. If you have to swap something, you have to do that twice, so it's $500 just to
Exactly.
sell a coin, because you have to go.
Yeah,
I mean,
I still remember all those days, like back in 2016, when I'm tell a friend like invest into this coin, that coin, and like click this one. What is it? What is it? They have no idea how to do it, and I don't have a channel. I don't know. There is not so much YouTube channel that you can show stuff and stuff how to do it. Then I have to go to their house. They have to come to my house to show them to do it. It's really difficult until 2019. It was really difficult, and then transition is higher. Even the 2021. I'm still remember Ethereum gas fee. You need to pay $300, $400, $500 in the gas fee, only in the gas fee. But now it's more easy on board, and yeah, lots of things coming more easier.
yeah, I agree. But end of the day, if you have $500 or $1,000 to invest, like $300 bet in SOH, really reasonable, for me. Than like going and buying like what $300 worth of Bitcoin, and your upside will be what 2x best, maybe even not.
Now it's hard. It's hard. It's a trillion market cap, so you need so much money flow into make to act.
But also, like as I said, we'll be 6 months old. We've been here since day one, and we just keep pushing. And if someone is coming now, there's like the risk getting into SOH is a lot lower than just buying stuff from left and right, where even you guys see like famous YouTubers, they can't even they can't move coins up. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I think for a community and what we're doing, we're just doing great. All we need is like keep pushing and get some more eyes on us, just for people to notice that this is a good project. Like, we're not here to rug you, we're not here to scam you. There is no bots. What else you want? What we want from you, just buy in, hold. If you have time to, work, come and work in TG or X. That's it. And also just hold. I think holding is the most important thing.
For the disclaimer, everyone in this live stream are not part of the team, including myself. I also need to buy this token, right? I don't get free this token as well. The only difference is we get in market cap a little bit before you. That's all. Yeah, Oli, OG, Carl, everyone here is not get paid by me, or there is no team. Everyone is investor. They speaking for their own benefit. They talk about their holding. So that is something you have to know. So yeah, everybody just sharing their back.
I mean, with me, I just I watched a random video of your side, and you were talking on it about starting a coin, and it
Yep.
was probably like 2 or 3 days before you actually launched the token, And I was like, you see, he doesn't have many followers, so probably he's trying to do something. I'll give it a go, and I just bought into it, and that's how it started.
Thanks.
It wasn't like, yeah, we knew each other from the past. No, I didn't know anyone.
Yeah, my intention for the coin and my intention for the this follower is I'm make it really clear from day one. I'm not looking to gain so much follower and make money out of my follower. That's what I don't have intention. Another intention is I don't like this. I make a video, I make a YouTube because I have to explain to my friend. I have to explain to people I know how to buy, how to sell Whis coin. So instead of I talking to 20 different person, if I make one video, they can see and listen together. I just need to send a link. So that is where I'm started this channel, YouTube. That is how I'm started. That is why you see that my channel is being long time. I'm only upload the video when I'm invest something. I'm not very actively uploading all the time I invest or not. So if I don't invest Sui, if I don't invest any other coin, I not talk about it. I'm talk about only I think have a potential. That's it.
Yeah, the launch was, you were insistent on it being a fair launch, and I remember you saying, right, I will get the market, I will get you will get your allocation, and then you will drop the contract address in the group, and that's what you did. So we all bought the contract address at the same time, and there was no insiders, there was no special treatment. It was just a case of yeah, I'm gonna get it, and then 30 seconds later you're gonna get it, and that's what happened. So, and with pump fund coins, it's important to note that if you launch a pump fund coin, nobody gets an allocation. It's it goes onto the market, and then you don't have to pay anything to launch it. And if you want to buy it, you buy it. So that's why you can see on Axiom Pro, on Bullex, you can see that the person who launched the coin, you can see whether the dev bought or sold or anything, because they have to buy it just like everybody else.
I'll be honest. The reason why I bought, because I was, checking all the bigger YouTubers, and it was the time just like the market was really hyped up, and what they were doing were like they were promoting certain coins, and then they were dumping them on like 10x on their community, and I was like, it's no way I'm buying this. I need something like low bowling, like no one would know about it, so I can get in really, really low price. And this is how it happened. Sometimes things just happen.
Yep.
Right, I'm gonna have to shoot off, guys. I need to go down to the shop. So I'll
Sure.
speak to you very soon. See you in a couple of days.
Catch you later, mate.
I'll see you in the group.
Yeah, sure. Hopefully next week I have some good news for everybody.
Yeah, you're working on things.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, I'll speak to you in a bit.
See you guys. Thank you.
See you, OG.
Have a good one, mate.
Oh, Derry is here. What happening? Why is keep popping out? Derry, I think you need to rejoin again. For some reason, you just popped it out. Yes. Derry, how are you? Are you busy?
Good. Sorry. Yeah, I'm at work, but pulled away for a few minutes to say hi to you guys.
Yeah, good. It's fine. I saw you waiting in hand, so I thought you were you about to join in, so I just calling you.
Yeah, no problem. So
Yeah.
oh,
Busy
it's
man, busy man.
yeah, always busy. That seems to be a theme with a lot of us in this group.
Now
We're all hustlers.
Now we have two new joining live stream. We have a OT Diamond Hand, Diamond Ball, and Carl, amazing Agwalk creator.
Yeah, that's great. Good to hear your guys' voices, and I appreciate all you guys do. You're both doing some great work.
Thanks, Derek. And also, we appreciate what you are doing for us as well.
Yeah.
You've been doing great job since day one, mate. I'm, respect for not giving up.
Yeah, that's we've all kind of leaned on each other during the dark times. Just
'Cause
sometimes
this
a
is what-
comment or a sticker just really, all right, I'm not in this alone,
Yeah, because this will happen with some of the guys. They just disappeared. They didn't even say, bye.
Right. We didn't get a good luck or kiss my ass or anything. They're just gone.
Nothing. Yeah, they just disappeared like a silent fart.
It's gone with the market.
Yeah.
Gone with the
And
market.
then some were like, they couldn't. They didn't have the balls to hold the lows. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
then
talk about
they
that.
sold on a loss. Yeah.
Yeah. Talk about that. Even some of the people that I'm training them personally, right? I'm training them. They call me like 11, 12 o'clock in the night time. They want to know how to buy, how to do this, and I give them the training hour and hour again and again. Even some people like this, they join SOA and then they like making some profit and they just like get out. And I like, really? Are you serious? You only up to 8 and you already out? And they just dump it and then they just out. I like, you said you want to be a millionaire. What are you doing with two act?
Yeah, because people think these days like, I'll just buy in, and 2 days later I'll be millionaire.
Mhm.
And they don't realize that it's really hard. It's really hard. Sometimes you have to have the nerves to hold the lows. If you
Yeah.
can't hold the lows, how you can
No, they call that
it's
in
successful.
psychology holding the tension, and it's people that they live in fear and panic. They just can't do that.
Yeah, because like I bought even after we launched, I bought at 600K market cap. I bought at 300K market cap. I was like, I don't care. If it's 100K market cap, I'll buy. And now what happened? We went to over 2 million from 100K. So there you
Right.
go. That's 20x if you want to sell. But I'm like, I'm not selling because I'm like, I'll give it a chance because I think we can build up something really big here. Yeah. So
Yes.
I'm not in this for like 20x, even 20x, and then you get people where they come in, they buy in, and two days later they sell on a loss. And I'm like, why are you selling on a loss? Just give a chance to the market. Like, obviously, it can't go only upside. Yeah, it can't be only green candles. You're gonna get your loss as well.
Right. Yeah. We've got to. I mean, we ride the market. It's there's good days and there's bad. So
Yeah, and also the people that started at the beginning and the way they left, I was like, that's so awful, And because I was thinking, yeah, if we keep going like the way we started, probably today we would be a lot, bigger community and all that. But for them was like, nah, we can't wait. It is what it is.
Yeah, true. One thing most of people, if you are first time listening here, we do have some good big whale in our community. They are watching us how the way we are doing. So they are watching us how the way we are doing, how the price move, how the announcement is made, and then they are like, oh, they should buy in, they should sell. They do this kind. Is okay. They can do is we are on the free market, so they can buy or sell anything however they want. So one thing you need to realize or need to note it about this is we do have like about 15 to 20 people who can invest into one coin 15, 20, 30, $50,000 easily. So they already used to done with SOX. So if all these people come back in and then they buy in easily, we can move this. So you never know. For the past 4 months, nothing happened. Straight away, 3, 4 people buy in 50, 60,000 straight away, sent to 2.1 million. So what they're gonna do next, we don't know. When they're gonna do next, we don't know. But one thing you can do is you can hold your position. If you hold your position now, they come in later. You are stay in profit. Doesn't matter how big they come in, how much they're going to dump. It's not gonna go lower than where you buy in before dump, right? So this one not gonna go lower than what your entry is. So that is you are already win. Now you buy in now 900K. Some 2-3 big way come back in, they're gonna buy 50, 60K, bring back to market cap 3-4 million. You stay be way ahead of them.
Yeah, that's a good point, And also for them, they can't get in at 100K now, so they're gonna have
No.
to get in over 900K or over a million. So that means they can't buy and control a big supply. So which is even better for the SOH price. Like we won't get massive red candles if they decide to dump at once.
Yeah,
But obviously, dumping
higher
at once is a stupid idea because you lose a lot to slippage.
Yeah, true. The higher market cap we go, the more liquidity is getting thicker. So the more liquidity getting thicker, some abuser won't affect the market cap anymore. Now around 1, 2, 3,000 sell is stay affect the market cap because liquidity is stay in tiny. The bigger liquidity become, yes, then with few $1,000 sell or buy won't affect market anymore.
Yeah, it just people don't realize like we don't need $1 million to move the market cap with $1 million.
No.
Like they
No.
don't realize that we need a lot less than that, just to move the market cap up.
To make the devil up, we only need like 40, 50K, 40K, 42K or something, maybe less. To make to 1.8 million, we only need like one wallet that who buy before 79K. If that wallet buy one, same like he did, we already go back to 2 million. All right. This is a good live stream, everybody. Then let's finish the live stream today. Is for the good live stream, everybody joining. That is amazing. Looking forward to see you all here again. OG, Carl, Dari, Oli, everybody. Whenever you guys free, you can already join. Come say hello. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Don't have to be an hour. It is fine. Looking forward to see you again, probably Monday, if not Tuesday. Right? All right. Thank you,
See you later, guys.
everybody.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you, Danny.
See
Thank you, OG. Thank you, Carl. That's a good live stream. Everyone is joining. Everyone in this community, they discuss what their opinion about SOA, which they are holding, right? Most of them being here from day one. Some just join in, and I'm seeing new name here in the live chat as well. Yeah, the market is sticking around 3.3 trillion, which is not go lower than that. I believe because Bitcoin is holding really strong, 105,000 market cap. So the best way, the best strategy for you to do right now is buy and hold, or if you cannot afford to buy more, just hold to your position. Go back to your work. You have to do it. You have to do. If you have to do, go back to your work. Stick to your work for another 6 months, a year, and then if you make life changing 6-7 figure, then you want to leave your job, totally fine, right? So don't take a risk. But some people, right? Some people need to do something. When I make my first million, I'm stay working full time. Yeah, when I make my first million, I stay working full time, and like I remember the day like I opened my trust wallet and 1 million. It is not straight away up 1 million. It's going up. The moment I was waiting, while I was sitting in the office and I'm open the trust wallet, me and my manager is like looking the balance go to 100 exact, right, to go there, but it's part a little bit, it's not exact, and then like boom, straight up to over 1 million. And man, what you doing here? What is this? The first time I'm showing him about the crypto as well. Like I'm showing him, look, this is the crypto, this is my wallet. He said like, no, joking. No, it's true. Have a look. And then it's what Sabmon, Shiba, Gishu, Shiba, all the meme coin. I have like 12 different meme coin, and everything is going up. And then we are like watching the trust wallet in live and going up. He like, what you doing here? What you working? No, it's like, it's people have different kind of mindset. People have different kind of plan, right? Even you make 6-7 figure, you don't need to quit your job. If you want to stay working, you can, or maybe you can just work less. You don't need to take like 6-7 day where you used to be like you can work 2-3 day. That's gonna happen. We are the human, so we need something to keep up going. But now is my only focus is crypto. Yeah, my only focus in crypto. So I only focus in crypto and spend so much time. Even I don't do the live stream or update the video, I'm still watching what other people saying. Follow all the different YouTube channel. I'm going to show you right now. This should be this. Okay, something like that. So this is all the people I'm following. They have all have different opinion, which is this on my account. Super, Thomas, Jay Gordon, Crypto Banner, Crypto Thief. This is a newbie. How of Crypto, right? Hanson Finance. Hanson Finance, he is really good at how to say, the wallet finance, the boss, something like that. He is very good at it. The how of crypto, he also like entertainment. I like his content. Yeah, and this Altcoin Daily I almost not watch anymore. Altcoin Daily I used to watch before a lot of the time, but now it's getting boring because they talk about the over billion market cap. So I'm not really paying attention anymore. Solana. Solana. So I'm not really paying attention anymore. I'm not here to make 1x, 2x. So not anymore. And crypto banner, they have some different people and different sessions. Sometimes they talk about the live crypto trading. Sometimes in crypto in general, like this. Crypto thief, good. What else? Supermo have 2 different channel. I have more. Why not? All coin boss also good. Crypto game, a lot of high risk, high play channel. Also, yeah, is if you involve or follow something like that, you have to know one thing. You make sure you can afford to lose, right? And what else? There's so much. Carl, the Moon Show, almost everybody, to be honest. And yes, of course, crypto coffee, Paul Chain, Paul Act, which is I'm still holding. There is not so much going on, so everybody waiting the Richard House to come back. What else? Yeah, there is so much more. You just have to take a little bit of everything from everybody and then make yourself. Yeah, you don't have to follow one person and do the same strategy that they are doing. You're not gonna make it. If you follow crypto banner and then you buy everything they sell, you buy everything they tell you, probably you're not gonna make it. Their portfolio and your portfolio is totally different, right? They can invest one coin into probably start with 250,000, 500,000 or million, but you're not. So the thing they talk about in their channel would be less rich compared to other channel, maybe like my channel or maybe crypto game, maybe Supermoon channel. They are talking more high risk, which it is fixed for you guys to follow, which you can invest $100, $200, $500, $1,000, right? So in crypto, you're looking for 1,000x gain. So you need to follow something people who talk about a little bit more high risk and 1,000x gain, 2,000x gain, 3,000x gain channel like that. And also, whatever you invest, you can afford to lose or not. You think about that one first. Yeah. So it doesn't matter who you follow. It's not important. Not everybody can predict the outcome exactly the same that they say. Yes, in overall, I'm being here long enough, so I'm making the profit. I'm stay standing strong here. So yes, overall we are winning. I'm shared a lot of coin in the past. Some of the coin go rock pool. Some of the coin stay holding strong. Some of the coin make 1,000% in 1 day, 2 day. All these different coin have different outcome, right? Not everybody can predict the good result all the time, but follow all the different people and make yourself out of this. take 5% of their advice, take 5% of his, her, she, he, him, right? So then make yourself. All right, guys, thank you so much. This is like nearly 2 hours. For me, it's fine. I have a complaint. I have a complaint last video. Someone probably didn't watch it and then come like, your video is too long. I don't want to watch it. It's fine. You don't want to watch it. But if you've been here 2 hours, if you learn one thing, yeah, if you just learn one thing, something new for you today, you win. You don't have to learn everything in this 2 hours that I'm talk. And Oli and OG and Cow, whatever they discuss, or Daryl, what they discuss, what their opinion. If you just learn one thing today, you'll win. You already win. It's worth your time. You can watch a Netflix movie series, 2 hour, 3 hour, 5 hour, or if you watch a series, you watch 20, 30 hour, you can watch. What do you gain? You gain nothing, right? Movie is make the story, make the something, make is not the real life, right? It's not the real life, but the real life here we are talking about our investment, our strategy. If you learn one thing new today, you win from the live stream. If you learn nothing today, you waste your time watching live stream today, or maybe you can rewatch again. Probably you gonna win. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure like and subscribe. I spend so much time to do this for you guys, for you as a return. One like, one subscribe. That's it. Thank you. Or share if you already do both. Yeah, you can share the live stream. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon for the SOA community. Hopefully we have big new coming very soon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.